to sell antique book restoration services on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. So here, as you can see, we have a lot of products and there are a lot of sellers making a lot of money behind these products. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can be one of these sellers and make a lot of money yourself. So here, let's just check one of these product pages or shop pages. So for example, let's check this one. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can create an Etsy shop or a shop page exactly like this one, how to add the pictures of your products, and also I'm going to show you how you can set the price of the product, how you can add the description of your product and the details of the product. Also, I'm going to show you how you can set the shipping and return policies of your shop page. So let's just close this one, then go up and go to your top right, click on the shop manager button, then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. So here you have 3 steps to go through, and you have 6 steps to go through in order to set your Etsy shop. And these start with the shop preferences. Then comes naming your shop, then you will stock your shop, then you will choose how you get paid, then you will set your payment processors, and you will end with the shop security. So let's start with the first one, which is the shop preferences, and it's where you set the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So for me, I'm just going to change the shop's currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is choosing the name of your shop. So here I'm going to choose this name. Then I'm going to try to shorten the name to be between 4 and 20 characters. Antique book restoration services. So let's see what else can we remove. So let's remove services, then it's still long. Let's see what else we can remove. Let's do this. So here I think the name is available. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stocking your shop. So here you will add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields to fill in order to proceed to the next step. So here we have photos, where we will need to at least have 1 photo. Then we have the inventory, where we will need to give our product a price. Then we have the listing details. So here also you will need to fill all of these red fields. Then we have the shipping, where also you will need to fill all of these red fields. So let's start from the first step, which is the photos. So here add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here, tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So we start with the title. So here, you just give your product a title. Then you have 3 questions to go through. Start with the who made it. So here you have 3 options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things? Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? You have 3 categories to choose from. Not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. Then you have the category of the product. So here, just type your product name and you will have a lot of categories to choose from. So let's just book sets and collections. Let's just leave it in the services to see what we can find. Restoration services. And books. So let's just choose the first one, for example. So here you'll have some additional details to fill, like the primary color of the product, the secondary color, the occasion. Then we have the holiday. Then you have the renewal options if you want to choose the automatic renewal or the manual one, which is free. Then you have the description. So here make sure to enter add a good description for your product. Then we have the pricing. So here make sure to give it a fair price for you and for your clients. Then we have the shipping. So here make sure to turn all of these red fields white. Then last but not least, we have the returns and exchanges. So you can just apply the 30 days policy and then click on save and continue. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.